Did you know that current climate change negatively impacts prospect development of Kyrgyzstan? These changes first and foremost threaten human resources. Climate change leads to drought and other agricultural land degradation processes. Climate change-related emergencies increase. Temperature drops, drinking water pollution, and food security deterioration negatively affect human health. To ameliorate this process, Kyrgyzstan joined forces with the United Nations and became a member of the Framework Convention on Climate Change and is doing its best to save the Earth's climate. We can bring slight impact on climate change, but we can take actions to mitigate and adapt the negative consequences of change. Drip irrigation system design, rational use of water and land resources in agriculture. Riverbanks reinforcement, planting forests and other preventive actions are key actions to improve microclimate and prevent climate change-related emergencies. Kyrgyzstan will improve population living standards by applying the obligations of the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change. Only united efforts will conserve Kyrgyzstan's natural resources for our children. Save me, your Earth.